Okay, in this video I'm going to tell you how to solve a problem like this using your calculator, actually only the calculator part. In the previous video we've already determined the mesh analysis and the applied Kirchhoff's laws. And now I'm going to tell you how to use your calculator to solve a problem like this. If you want to use your calculator, you have to insert it as a matrix. And for this schematic, we've got two unknown factors, namely I1 and I2, and we've got two equations. And whenever the number of equations is equal to the number of unknown variables, you can solve it using a matrix or multiple matrices. So how do you solve it on your calculator? Well, if you turn on your calculator, this is for a Texas Instruments calculator. There are ways on Casio as well, but I'm now going to demonstrate it on the Texas Instruments. You go to Matrix, and you choose one of them. I choose A since it's just the easiest. Sorry. You go to Matrix, and you go to Edit, and you edit the matrix you want to use. And now you have to insert the size. We've got two equations, so I'm going to use 2. And the equation, as you can see over here, has got 3 positions. So there's always something with I1, always something with I2, and always something with a 4 on with a constant value on the right side of the is equal to part. So therefore, I'm going to use the 3. As you can see, we've got now 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, now we're going to insert the 2 equations, and it's very, very important that you use the same order for your variable. So in this case, I've done that very well because here you've got 3. First I1, then I2, then the is equal to sign, and then 4. And on the right side, I've got the same. If you mix up that order for one of them, your solutions will be entirely wrong. So for here, we're first going to start the first one. So we got 3 times I1, 2 times I2, and it's equal to 4. Now we're going to insert the right one. So 2 times I1, 5 times I2, and that's equal to 5. Okay, that's it. We've added our matrix. So we go back to the main screen, and then we go to matrix again, we go to math, and we go all the way down to this function. That one solves the matrix for you, or actually the equation. And we've got to insert the matrix into this, so we choose the matrix we've just adjusted. And then we click enter. And these are the answers. And so it means that for this one, if the one it's got a 1 on the first variable, so that means that this is for I1. You see, this is the first variable. So this one is for I1, and I1 will be 0.9090909 and so on amperes. And the second one is for I2, which is 0.63636 and so on amperes. So that's how you solve it using your calculator.